All right, you guys got the professional rolling tool bag here by Jonar Tools. So let me know what you guys would add, what you guys think of the setup here. I just kind of took some extra tools off of the wall here to make a little setup here so I don't have to carry all this stuff to the garage. So I can just roll this out to the garage without having to worry about dropping stuff on the floors and damaging them, because that would suck. So here's my setup here, right here. I think I just repeated a word twice. So I got my impact drill, my normal drill, got a meter, hammer, a couple big screwdrivers. This one kind of fell over. A couple big long screwdrivers there, cabinet tip screwdriver, demolition kind of beater screwdriver. I got the, I cannot think right now. I got my channel locks, screwdriver, Phillips, flat blade screwdriver, diagonal cutters, strippers, lineman, needle nose, pipe reamer just in case on the outside, excuse me. I got the wood bit for drilling holes in the wall out in the garage, some Allens, a small screwdriver here, a impact rated flip socket, 3-in-1, 3 sockets, 6 tips, tape measure brand new, got the knife, I got the MC stripper in here, I got a Sharpie and a pencil, got a electrical tester right there with the screen on it if I need to check my voltage, a normal tester, tick tracer, and lastly the laser level. That thing is crazy because I didn't really have any other lasers or levels because I didn't really want to open up the brand new one. I think I'm gonna have to take that one to work though because my other one is actually trash. So anyways, not bad for this setup. I'm quite excited about it. Just making an extra setup here so I can kind of just roll out to the garage when I need to make some videos. So let me know what you guys think. I love this backpack here by, not the backpack, but the rolling tool bag by Jonar Tools. So let me know what you guys think. Nice quality here. So see you guys in the next one. Drop me a comment down below what you think. Love this handle here. You can just make that disappear real quick. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and love you guys. Stay safe out there. Peace.